How's it going, y'all? Today we have a 2025 Silverado 2500 6.6 liter Allison transmission. It's diesel, considered a 2500 Cutaway because of the excessive cabins they have. This is more of like your ideal work truck. This is how it comes, brand new. Of course, it comes in, it gets sent out. All of this get added on. Look at that. Process, gotta take the wraps off the seats and just your basic checks. You check all the fluids, check the oil, make sure there's no defects, make sure there's nothing going on with it since it left the manufacturer. The car has literally 3 miles on it, so it's basically brand new. Not basically brand new, it is a brand new vehicle. So I like to leave these underneath the seat for the customer with all the switches and gimmicks and gadgets. Okay. Then we got our wheel covers that I'm going to be installing. I'm also going to be putting nitrogen in these tires also during the process. Let me get the nitrogen machine ready, let y'all see the process on that. So here's the nitrogen machine. I'll show y'all the process of how it replaces your regular air tire pressure with nitrogen pressure, or nitrogen air, however you want to say it. So go ahead and connect these. Put on the machine first. Open the valve. Let the machine do what it needs to do real quick. Gave me that beep. That lets me know it's ready. Go ahead and connect these. Only thing I don't put nitrogen air in is a dually. I mean, we can do dualies, but unless I'm told to put nitrogen in a dually, depending on the engine size, depending on the type of dually. If it's a 3500, then yes, I'll still put nitrogen in it. But anything over a 3500 will not be getting any nitrogen. So this is for the left rear. Had it wrong. Had left rear with the right rear. This machine is very anal. You can tell when the attachments are not in the right. Right? I was like, what the fuck? Let's see. Hey, y'all gotta watch how y'all are putting these on the car. Make sure y'all are putting them on right, because y'all can damage it. Damn. on, bro. Y'all like little fucking kids. I shouldn't have to tell y'all that. I say I gotta watch how y'all put that on, because already it's giving me problems and it wasn't giving me problems before. I gotta make sure y'all push it all the way on. Come on, man, we're not kids. Anyways, yeah, it's a little process to set up the nitrogen cables, but it's not that bad. So now I'm gonna go ahead, check pressures. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the door, because that's where it's gonna tell me how much pressure needs to be. What did that say? 60 psi. 60 in the front, 80 in the rear. So we're going 60, 80 on the psi. So come here. This is going to be a 60, and this is going to be a 80. Now we're gonna fill and purge. And there we go. And let it do its magic. Let it do its magic. And we're gonna come back when it's beeping. Well, now I'm gonna go ahead and install those wheel caps. So what you saying? You saying heavy sauce? What you saying? I want you to tell me what you saying. Is it referring to you? Let me know something now. But what about you though? How we sitting on your end? I'm curious. You ain't talking to a group of people, you talking to me, baby. Lifestyle. Definitely. So I wouldn't expect you not to be. install the antenna. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish pulling these seat plastics off. After I'm done pulling these seat plastics, who's that? It looks like the bark. Oh, that's not. Yeah, that's trash. This goes glove compartment. Check the seat. Make sure the seat can move. Seat belts. You can see it's taking the pressures out of the tires. See? As it pulls out the regular air and fills it with nitrogen air at the same time. So it's more of like a set it and forget it process. Once I connect it and leave it, it does everything for me. In the meantime, I walk around and finish doing my checks. Go ahead and check the oil, check the fluids. This one is not diesel. This is actually a V8. But this one is not diesel, it's just your regular motor. Check the oil. Oil's good. Coolant's good. Brake fluid's good. Put some fluid in here for the washer. And we should be good to go. Go ahead and put this dipstick back, get a cloth to check it again. And you know, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wait for the nitrogen fill to finish. And once it's done, I will take the vehicle to detail, do my paperwork, and move on to the next vehicle. So that's all for our new car inspection. It's a 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500Hd Cutaway. Cutaway because of how the back is on the truck.